students, we are now going to calculate the average and the standard deviation for this data. So you want to click on the cell right here underneath Idaho Flats Upper, and we need to go to Insert because we want to insert something. And what we're going to be inserting is a function. Since average is a statistical function, we go over to Statistics, and we scroll up, and it is right here. So now it's given me equals because it's a function, and it says average, which is the name of the function. In between these parentheses is where our data is going to go. So you're going to click on the first number for this, hold your mouse down, and highlight the whole column. Now we can press enter, and we have our average for that column. Now you could just repeat this for each of these columns, but let me show you an easier way. You see this button right here, this square? If you take the square and drag it across, now you have the average in each of the columns. All right, so the average is one number that describes all these numbers. It tells you what the typical seagrass shoot density is for a quadrat in these areas. Now we need to see how spread out our data is, what our standard deviation is going to be. So we'll click on this cell under standard deviation in Idaho Flats Upper. We'll go Insert Function Statistical just as before. You're going to scroll down until you get STDEV. This one should say standard deviation. There's some here that end up being a little bit more complicated. We just want the one on the top. Just like before, it's told us equals for a function. It's told us the name of the function it's going to perform, and now we just need to highlight the data. Be careful, don't highlight the average in here. That will throw your answer off. So you're going to highlight the same data that you used to calculate the average and hit enter. And then you're going to hit the corner and drag it across like that. There you go.